What's up, y'all? Welcome to the difference of two squares station. All right, so this is one of my favorite quadratics to factor because there are some very distinct things that give it away. So this is going to be our tool that we use to factor anytime I have two terms. So we would have one term here, a second term here. We have a minus sign in the middle. And both of our first and our second terms, we can take the square root of. So when this is the case, what I know is that I can take the square root of x squared will give me x. The square root of 16 will give me 4. And I have this minus sign in the middle. That means when I factor this, I can factor it to be x plus 4 and x minus 4. And now that is it. So again, I need two terms, only two terms, right here and one here, with a minus sign in the middle. And that means I can take my difference of two squares. So another example of this might be if we had x squared minus 64 equals 0. I'm going to check it, all right? So I see that I have two terms, 1 and 2. I have a minus sign in the middle. Let me see if I can take the square root of both of these. So I know the square root of x squared is going to be x. The square root of 64 will be 8. So that means I can rewrite this in factored form as x minus 8, x plus 8 equals 0. Y'all, one way that we might see this, another way, would be if we have variables in both of our terms. So what would happen if we had 4x squared minus, let's say 16y squared. In this case, y'all, we don't want this to throw us off. We have two terms, one in the beginning and one in the end, and I have a minus sign in the middle. So when I think about taking the square root of 4x squared, I know the square root of 4 is 2, the square root of x squared is x. Here, I know that the square root of 16 is 4, and the square root of y squared is y. So if I want to rewrite this in factored form, with my parentheses, we will have 2x plus 4y and 2x minus 4y. So both ways. All right, you guys, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call your teacher over. And you can go ahead and get started on the practice problems. Good luck.